Would you love to know what truly is the fastest way to grow in network marketing? Hi, my name is Paula Ram, and I help network marketers crush their business online the gentle and quiet way. You may be brand new to network marketing. You may have just joined a company and you are super excited about it, but now you're wondering, okay, now what, right? What is the best way and the fastest way to grow my network marketing business? Or you may have been in network marketing or direct sales for a while, but you just feel like you're going at this snail's pace, and you're thinking there's got to be a better way than this, right? So your upline may be teaching you different ways to build your business, to grow your team, to recruit, to get sales. There are a variety of trainings out there telling you to do different things. But you may be wondering, okay, does this really work? And how fast does it work? Because, especially now in these days, we don't have a lot of time to spend going one person at a time, one sale at a time, and slowly grow this business. We need a way to grow our businesses the fastest way possible so that it can go to a full-time income if that is your goal. If you just have a goal of a part-time income, a way to supplement your family's income, this is great as well. Because also, we're busy. We're all busy, and we don't really have time to waste on methods that don't work. And a big time waster is social media. So many people get caught up in Facebook groups and Facebook posts and engaging things to say on Facebook, right? And it's like, is this really getting you any sales? Is it really getting you any team members? Okay, and it may be slowly, right? But it's taking a lot of time. It just doesn't seem like you're making any headway. It doesn't seem like you're ever going to reach your goal. So that's what I'm going to teach you today, is how to actually grow fast in network marketing. First of all, I would love to know, how is it that either you are growing your business now, or what is your upline telling you to do to grow your business? Please comment below with what is being taught in your company to grow your business. I would love to hear what is the majority of the training out there now, and how people are being taught and how that is working for everyone. So just comment below, what method is it? Just prospecting your friends and family one-on-one? Is it attraction marketing, building your own brand? That's a great method, but it takes a lot of time and a lot of work. Is it the 3-foot rule? Anybody within 3 feet of you, prospect with your opportunity. But of course, now during the quarantine, nobody should be within 3 feet of you. So maybe it's the 6-foot rule. Anyone within 6 feet of you, you prospect with your opportunity. Are you being encouraged to join Facebook groups, different network marketing or business Facebook groups, and then to friend people in the groups so that you can message them and say, hey, are you open to this opportunity? Or maybe you are friending your friend's friends with the same thing. Hey, I noticed we have the same mutual friend, right? And I was just wondering, if you're open to looking at my opportunity. If it doesn't interfere with what you're already doing, right? The script or scripts out there, right? To prospect people. And you may be part of the NFL club, the No Friends Left Club. I certainly hope not. So again, comment below. What method are you being taught right now to build your business? And if you are ready to learn something new, better, stick around, okay? The number one secret to growing your network marketing business fast is to leverage the power of influencers. Leverage the power of influencers. And you may have no idea what that is, but I'm going to tell you. An influencer is someone with a large, loyal following online who trusts her every word. So if this influencer, this leader, recommends a product, her followers are very likely to buy. If she recommends a company, they're very likely to check it out. If she recommends a book, a movie, whatever, her followers trust her so much, they trust her advice that they will take her advice. They will listen to it. They will buy the product. Now, can you imagine if this influencer was reviewing your product? She tried your product. She fell in love with it. She gushed about it to her tens of thousands of followers online. So now her followers are like, what is this amazing product that this person I trust loves so much? I'm going to go try it out as well. Okay, so you can see the power of that. If it were just you going online, going on Facebook and talking about your product, right, that just goes out to a few of your friends. However many that Facebook will show it to that day, a handful of your friends. That's going to take a while. Or if you're PMing them, messaging them on Facebook, that's one at a time. You're, trying to start that conversation, right? One at a time. Some trainers recommend prospecting 2 people a day. Just reach out to 2 people a day, right? But at the end of the month, that's 60 people. So can you imagine if you even just worked with one influencer in a month and she gushed about your product to her tens of thousands of followers? That's tens of thousands of people now who are learning about you and your product and how it can help them, how it would be a benefit to them, why they want it, right? So compare 60 of reaching out to 2 people a day to tens of thousands. That is multiplied exponentially. So can you see the power of this? Are you getting excited about it? Can you see how this is absolutely the fastest way to grow your network marketing business? There is no faster way. I have not seen any faster way to build, to grow a team, to get sales. There is no faster way. You may be wondering, okay, how do I do that? How do I find an influencer to reach out to? Okay, so the key to this, and this is an important step that many people who try this miss. The key is to find your avatar, which is your perfect lifetime customer. Who is the customer who loves your product so much she will buy from you again and again? And that is the person you want to learn more about and then find out where she is hanging out. Okay, if you find out that your perfect lifelong customer is an avid quilter, then you need to go find a quilting influencer. And sometimes the niches you find and where your avatar is hanging out is where you would least expect. So that's where you need to do your research on your avatar to find out really what are her likes, what are her hobbies, what are her passions, right? And where is she going for her information online? Where is she hanging out? Who is she listening to? Is there a certain YouTube influencer she watches? Is there somebody on Instagram she follows? Is there somebody on Facebook? Is she in a Facebook group with a lot of members? Does she read any bloggers, right? The places where you find influencers are endless because where your perfect lifelong customer is hanging out and getting her information is almost endless, right? So this is a big, big key to being successful. Getting your influencer marketing off to a great start is knowing your perfect, ideal, lifelong customer, then finding where she is hanging out. And then check out those people, check out those influencers of where she's hanging out, right? Are they a decent size? Are they getting great engagement on their content? Are they getting likes? Are they getting comments? Are they getting shares, right? This is very important. If this person is just getting crickets, it's probably not a great person to reach out to. Once you find that perfect influencer that your avatar is following, then you'll want to connect with her, Reach out like you would a friend. Send a simple email. Tell her why you love her content. Introduce yourself. Introduce your product and why you think her readers would love it, why it would benefit her followers. Say you would love to collaborate and run a review and giveaway on her platform. And then ask for her media kit. The media kit is what she'll send you that will show what all she offers and her rates. Then together you will arrange a review and giveaway. This is when you send the influencer a product or two for her to try. She falls in love with it, and then she writes a review where she talks about it and recommends it to her followers, her tens of thousands of raving fans, right? She's gushing about your product. And then at the end, she'll run a giveaway so that one of her followers, one or more, can win this amazing product. Now, by combining it with a giveaway, you're creating a lot more buzz. You're going to get a lot more participation, a lot more eyeballs on your product. That's what you want. So combine it with a giveaway and then use a platform like UpViral where it's this giveaway platform, makes it so easy to run giveaways. But not only does it get you lots of referrals because people are incentivized for referring their friends, but now you're getting email addresses. And this is the last part of this method, the fast way of growing your team, is to follow up. Most people totally undervalue the importance and the treasure trove that email is. Email marketing still is the best way to communicate with your potential customers. They can hear from you over and over again because it takes, 7 to 10 times for someone of hearing about a new product before they're ready to jump in and buy. So they'll need more than just that first review and giveaway. Some will buy right then, but some might need to be warmed up a little through your email follow-up. So that's super key to get their emails. Then you start sending them value-filled emails, right? Not just salesy emails, not just your company emails of when there's a sale or a new product. No, you want to actually help your avatar with her pain points, her problems, things she's struggling with. If you are with a health and wellness company, there are tons of content you can use to help your avatar, right? Maybe she needs some tips on how to lose weight or to get fit or to be organized or to get more energy, right? So you can send, tips in these emails, how to have more energy with different things. And then one of the suggestions would be your product, right? That could help. So it's not just salesy or spammy, but now you're basically becoming an influencer, someone that your customers and potential customers are starting to know, like, and trust because you're giving them value. You are helping them out with things they need help with, right? So this is how you are going to grow your network marketing business fast. You are going to start seeing sales come in. As I said, you're going to get sales initially when that first review and giveaway goes live, and then you're going to continue to get sales with your value-filled email follow-up. And then you just rinse and repeat by working with more influencers. Or if that was a great influencer, you work with her again continually, regularly, which really is super powerful because her followers are seeing you repeatedly and starting to trust you, and they might not buy the first time, but eventually. So that's powerful as well. Now, once you start getting these raving customer fans, they start trying your product and falling in love with it as well, they are going to want to join your team. This is how you get team members, by getting happy customers first, who then see the value of joining your company because they love the product and they'll want to share it with their friends as well. And they can see how easy it is to sell, that they don't have to go one-on-one to their friends and bug their friends and family, but they can sell like you do. They can build their team like you do. They think, I can do that. That's something I can do. I don't like that that other spammy way of building my network marketing business, but I could do this, right? And I was one of those people who would never have joined a direct sales company if I thought I had to bug friends and family or call people up, do you want to join my team, or PM them on social media. I never would have done that, right? But I knew there had to be a better way. I knew there was a better way, that you could have way better results by using the tools online today that weren't there 20 years ago, right? We have just an amazing resource at our fingertips, the internet. There's no better time to build a business. And if you just multiply your efforts by not just working with your own efforts, but to exponentially grow them by using the power of influencers, your team, your sales are going to grow so much faster. You're going to build that solid, loyal customer base who buys from you again and again. And then it's going to be a solid company. It's going to be a solid business for you. It's not just going to be a fly-by-night thing. Like when you stop working, if you can't do a vendor show, because of quarantine or illness or pregnancy or something, your income doesn't dry up, right? You don't want to be dependent on one-on-one sales, right? Where if you don't do a show, or if you don't do a home party, or if you don't prospect that day, right, your sales dry up, your income dries up, right? You want, if you work online through influencers, right, it's a much more stable, solid, safe business than other methods. So it's going to be able to withstand different storms that come through. So I highly recommend this. So if you are interested in learning more about this strategy of influencer marketing, be sure to grab my free influencer marketing quick start guide that is in the description below. That'll give you a great overview, and you can see if this is a fit for you, and if you want to learn more about it and dive deeper into it, because again, it is truly the fastest way to build your network marketing business. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you got a ton of value out of this today and are excited about a different way, a better way, a faster way to grow your network marketing business. If you got value out of this, I would so appreciate if you clicked the thumbs up button and gave me a like and subscribed, and then click the bell so you're notified whenever my new videos come out so you don't miss any of them. All right, thanks so much, guys. Bye.